Welcome to another intriguing episode on our channel. Today we're going to explore a captivating subject that has intrigued philosophers, researchers, and curious minds alike for centuries: astral projection. Often referred to as an out-of-body experience, astral projection invites us to question our understanding of reality and consciousness. We'll delve into its enigmatic chord, its potential benefits, techniques to achieve it, and how it differs from lucid dreaming. So, are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of astral projection? Stay tuned! Astral projection, a term that elicits curiosity, excitement, and sometimes apprehension. Let's delve into this intriguing phenomenon, shall we? Astral projection, in its essence, is the conscious act of the soul or consciousness, often referred to as the astral body, separating from the physical body. This experience, often described as an out-of-body experience, allows the astral body to journey through the astral plane, a dimension of reality beyond the physical world we're accustomed to. Now, you may be wondering, how does this astral body stay connected to the physical body during these voyages? Enter the silver cord. Picture it as a lifeline, a shimmering elastic tether linking your astral body to your physical body. This silver cord is believed to be indestructible and serves a crucial role. It prevents other entities from entering your body while you are astral projecting. It's like your personal bodyguard, keeping your physical body safe while your consciousness is off exploring different realms. But wait, there's more to this silver cord. It's not just a guardian, but also a guide. It ensures that no matter how far or wide your astral body travels, it can always find its way back to the physical world, to the vessel it calls home. It's like the breadcrumbs Hansel and Gretel left behind in the fairy tale, leading them back home. Astral projection is a fascinating concept, isn't it? It opens up a world of possibilities, a universe beyond the physical where time and space are fluid, and the laws of physics as we know them don't apply. It's like stepping into a science fiction novel where the rules are different and the only limit is your imagination. Imagine being able to explore different realms while your physical body remains at rest. That's astral projection for you. But remember, this journey is not without its risks, and it's essential to approach it with an informed mind and a cautious heart. But don't worry, we'll cover that too in the upcoming scenes. Stay tuned. Astral projection isn't just an exciting concept, but also holds several benefits. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's dive into some of the potential benefits of astral projection as claimed by practitioners and researchers. Firstly, astral projection can lead to spiritual growth. During astral experiences, many people report encounters with spiritual entities or receiving profound insights about the universe and their place within it. This can lead to a deepened sense of spirituality and a greater understanding of one's own existence. Secondly, it can amplify your self-awareness. With astral projection, you're essentially taking a step outside of your physical self. This unique perspective has the potential to make you more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, even when you're back in your physical body. It can help you identify patterns, habits, and aspects of your life that you may want to change or improve. Thirdly, astral projection can help overcome the fear of death. This might sound a bit morbid, but stay with me here. The practice, according to some, allows you to experience existence outside of your physical body, reinforcing the belief in the continuity of consciousness after physical death. This can alleviate the fear of death, as you've already witnessed a form of existence that transcends the physical plane. Imagine a world where you could explore the universe without boundaries, connect with your inner self on a deeper level, and shed the fear of the ultimate unknown. That's the potential power of astral projection. But remember, these benefits aren't guaranteed. They're based on personal experiences and research, and just like any other practice, the results can vary from person to person. So if you decide to embark on this journey, keep an open mind and remember that everyone's astral experience is unique. Intriguing, isn't it? But how does one achieve astral projection? Let's find out. Achieving astral projection isn't as simple as it sounds. It requires practice, patience, and the right techniques. Let's delve into some of the methods that can help you initiate this out-of-body experience. The first technique is meditation. You see, astral projection and meditation share a common ground, that is a sense of deep inner peace. To begin with, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, whichever is more comfortable for you. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Let your thoughts come and go, but don't engage with them. As you delve deeper into this tranquil state, you'll find your physical body becoming more and more relaxed. paving the way for your astral body to venture out. Next, we have visualization. This technique involves using your mind's eye to envision your astral body separating from your physical one. Imagine yourself floating above your body, looking down at yourself. This mental image can serve as a catalyst, triggering your astral body to rise and explore the astral plane. Finally, there's the rope technique. Picture a long, sturdy rope hanging above you. Now, without physically moving, imagine your astral body reaching out and climbing this rope, pulling itself up and out of your physical body. This method is quite popular due to its simplicity and effectiveness. But remember, these techniques are not magic spells that work instantly. They require practice, consistency, and above all, belief in oneself. You might not succeed at first or even after several attempts, but that's completely normal. Don't get discouraged. Instead, keep honing your skills, and over time, you'll notice progress. Also, it's important to note that everyone's experience with astral projection is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. So, feel free to experiment with different techniques and find the one that suits you best. With the right technique and mindset, one can potentially experience the extraordinary phenomenon of astral projection. So, are you ready to embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and exploration? Astral projection is often confused with lucid dreaming. However, they are different experiences. Let's delve into this. Lucid dreaming is essentially a dream in which you're aware that you're dreaming. You're in the driver's seat of your dream, controlling the narrative, characters, and environment. It's a playground of your subconscious mind, where the laws of physics or societal norms don't apply. On the other hand, astral projection is an out-of-body experience, where your consciousness or astral body separates from your physical form. It's said to allow exploration of the astral plane, a dimension of reality beyond the physical world. Unlike lucid dreaming, astral projection isn't confined to the landscape of your subconscious mind. Some describe it as transcending the limits of physical existence. The main difference lies in their nature. Lucid dreaming is an inward journey, a deep dive into your own psyche, whereas astral projection is perceived as an outward voyage, a conscious exploration of the universe beyond the physical body. Another key distinction is the initiation. Lucid dreams occur during sleep, specifically during the REM stage. Astral projection, however, can be initiated from a relaxed, wakeful state, often through meditation or visualization techniques. In terms of experience, lucid dreams are typically more whimsical and surreal, reflecting our subconscious thoughts and emotions. Astral projection, conversely, is often described as more real and vivid than ordinary reality. While both are fascinating experiences, astral projection takes you a step further into the realm of the extraordinary. Like any exploration, astral projection too comes with its share of risks. The first thing to understand is that fear is the greatest danger. It's natural to feel apprehensive when venturing into the unknown. But remember, this fear can manifest into unpleasant experiences. So, it's crucial to approach astral projection with a calm and open mind. Another potential risk is the misinterpretation of experiences. Astral projection can be overwhelming, and interpreting these experiences incorrectly can lead to confusion or distress. Therefore, it's always beneficial to keep a journal of your experiences and discuss them with others who practice astral projection. Now let's discuss some safety measures. The environment in which you practice astral projection can significantly influence your experience. Ensure that your surroundings are peaceful, comforting, and free from potential interruptions. Some people find it helpful to use soft, ambient music or incense to create a serene atmosphere. Next, always remember that you are connected to your physical body with a silver cord. This cord is your lifeline, your tether to reality. No matter how far you travel, you can always return to your physical body by thinking about it. Finally, it's essential to practice grounding techniques after each astral projection session. This can involve simple actions like eating, drinking, or walking around to help reconnect with your physical reality. With the right precautions, astral projection can be a safe and enlightening journey. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of astral projection today. We've unfurled the mystery of the astral cord, delved into the benefits and techniques of astral projection, differentiated it from lucid dreaming, and tackled the potential risks and safety measures. This exploration has hopefully illuminated the uncharted terrains of our consciousness. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. Until next time, Nexty.